From its inception, the Galaxy Note has put the most powerful mobile technology in the hands of those that demand it most. Meet the new, super powerful Note. It takes the mobile experience to a whole new level. By focusing on what matters most in today's always-on mobile world, our team of engineers and designers have developed our most extraordinary performance features yet. Like our new, powerful all-day battery that takes you through your entire day on just a single charge. With Note 9, we're excited to redefine mobile storage. Now 1 terabyte ready with expandable memory, you have the power to store so much more, deleting less of what you love. And thanks to our cutting-edge processor, you can enjoy remarkably fast performance. While Note's advanced water carbon cooling protects against overheating to deliver peak performance for longer. Inside, at the heart of Note, lives the iconic S Pen. That's always set Note apart. Our engineers have totally transformed the S Pen by embedding Bluetooth technology. The all-new S Pen lets you command presentations without even touching your phone. And for the first time, gives you the power to remotely access Note's advanced intelligent camera system with just a tap. Our revolutionary camera takes photography to a whole new level, adapting like the human eye for spectacular shots, day or night. We've embedded in the camera an incredibly powerful level of AI to recognize scenes, intelligently optimizing their color, and automatically detect flaws. So you can say goodbye to bad photos. With Bixby, we're introducing a more seamless way to use your phone.
Hi Bixby, I need a hotel tonight.
Without opening any other apps. For business, with just a single cable, Note's all-new DeX is engineered to transform your phone into a dynamic PC, so you can work on the big screen and leave the dongle bag behind. And with Knox, you have the security of a mobile platform that's fused into both hardware and software at manufacture. So your data is protected from the chip up the very moment you turn on your phone. With Note, our focus has always been to deliver a cutting-edge smartphone experience like no other. And that's why today, Note 9 is the most powerful Note ever. The new, super powerful Note.
RenderForce.com